It is bright and early. We're headed to Radcliff, Kentucky for a look and learn and a hands-on course, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. All right, guys, listen, I was gonna do a whole cinematic little trip of us coming here, but it was absolutely pouring down rain, so I focused on the road. But we just pulled up. I really wanted to make this video to show you guys what it's like at my education classes. I have 3 coming up, and I also wanted to tell you guys about those. So we're gonna be in Charlotte September 10th, Washington DC September 24th, and I'll be in Phoenix by myself on October 8th, I believe. All the flyers were just right there. If you guys want to check it out, go to Tomb45Academy.com/events. I also have a couple shows and different things coming up as well. I'm gonna be in the UK. If you guys saw my big news video, that is officially out. I'll be in the UK in October. I'm not exactly sure. I'll put that up. I'm gonna be at the Vegas Barber Expo, the Salt Lake City Barber Expo, the Arizona Barber Expo, and Rumble in the Rockies in Denver coming up in a couple weeks. So make sure you guys come to those. If any of that stuff is nearby, you definitely need to check it out. I got my man JT with me. He's gonna start educating with me at these classes and helping, selling products and helping me vlog and things like that. He's gonna kind of be my cameraman, work the booth at the shows and sell products at these classes. And then he's gonna actually help me teach during the hands-on because he cuts just like me, and he'll be able to go assist people as well. So you guys will be seeing more of him in upcoming videos, and he'll be behind the camera for a lot of this stuff. Oh, there they are. Oh, they just came out with an umbrella to get us because it's raining so bad. But anyway, guys, we're gonna head into the class. I'll show you guys the spot and what we're set up and what we're working with, and we'll get to this class.
To come out and be a part of this. We're about to get started. My name is Eric. We're the owners of Eric's Barbering Company. So we're excited for y'all to be out and take your time out of your day to be here, hosting Tomb45. Come on, let's come on. Try to break this down into 3 parts. The style, the transition, and the fade. The style on this one's gonna be the side, right? Then we're gonna have a transition. And again, this can be different no matter the head. It's got the colors on it that y'all can see. Look how everything is in the same line. It's in the same shape. So when you got a mohawk like that, and you got the round mohawk, and the burst fades perfectly in, the idea here is to apply what we just talked about. And Derek's cut, he's got some nice curl that I just combed out so you can't see. And we'll diffuse it and get it back as curly as we can. So I'll show you guys that, which is styling for a lot of people is difficult. So I'll kind of show you guys my process on that. With how I'm gonna do this, you don't have to every time. And it depends if I've cut his hair frequently, if somebody just got a haircut, I may not do this full process. But so now I'm gonna go from that up each side, fingers on the head still. You'll really see once we dry it and come in with the clipper. Again, we want the crown to go where it wants to go. If you guys ever have trouble with that, check it out. And it'll start to fall. You see it fall? So because the 4, I still see some inconsistency. So my number 1 goal is cut the style, set the transition, and get a consistent panel to fade into. So because it's not consistent, we're gonna go to the 3. If the mirror was far enough over, I can see. I should have done it opposite. You guys can see it right here. Imagine that side's finished. If I'm more accurate that way, then who cares? If I'm standing way back here, flail the clipper around, it's gonna be less consistent.
Man, you supposed to be cutting, man. Get your hands in there. JT itching to cut hair, that's the thing. JT about to get busy on one. He supposed to be the cameraman, but look who got it. The most difficult canvas in the building.
Get the like and subscribe.
Looks good. Nervous, Nelly? All All right, guys, I totally forgot to record an outro at the shop. Then we drove all the way home, 12 hours from my house this morning to the class, 8-hour class. Back home, busy day. Awesome class though, super good time. Like I said, guys, I have 3 more coming up here in the near future. I'm gonna put the flyers up again. We have Charlotte, DC, and Phoenix, Arizona. Guys, head to tomb45academy.com/events if you guys wanna grab your tickets. And make sure you guys get in on these classes. Now, if you wanna see another class that I did, make sure you guys click right here and check that video out. And I hope to see you guys soon.